Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I'm going to show you some lights that were sent to me, and they were sent to me by a company called GJIA. And what it is it's High Bay lights. In other words, in your garage, as you remember when I work on my workbench over there, it's a little bit dark. Well, this company saw one of the videos that I did up there, and they sent me these lights to put up over the top of my workbench to illuminate the area where I'm going to work. All right, so let's open it up, let's see what's in the packaging, and then we'll put them up and we'll see how they work. Now, there's multiple lights that they sell. I will put the link down below in my description below this video of the different lights they sell. This just happens to be one of the lights that they sell. They sell lots of different ones depending on what your application is. As you know, this is a garage. The ceilings in here are probably about, I'm going to say 10 feet high in here, but depending on the height of your warehouse or your commercial building or your basement, that'll dictate what size light or what kind of a light you'll need. But as I said, I'll put the link down below so you can check it out and see what light fits your needs. So let's open it up, let's see what we get, and then we'll put them up and we'll see how they work. Alright, so first thing we did is, as you can tell, I did open the box already. These are what's called a UFO. What is it? A UFO LED high bay light. That's what these are. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these out. It comes with cables like this. Let's lay everything out, and then we'll see what's in the boxes. Just put that in there. These are the lights themselves. Now these are LED lights. As you know, LED lights do not produce the significant heat that some of the mercury vapor or some of the other older style lights used to produce. This is the light itself, right here. It does come with a plug that you would just plug in. Now if you have it and you plug it in, you can actually have a switch on that plug that you could turn the light off and on as needed. Alright, it does come with that. It also comes with a cable, a safety cable, to connect it up, so that way you can adjust it with the cable that you can connect up to the light itself, so you can attach it up to the top of wherever you're going to have it. And it also comes with this item right here, and basically what it is, you would just take this and screw it in to the top of the light itself, just like that. We're going to grab a screwdriver, we're going to unscrew this screw right here for now. And now we'll screw this down. Okay, and then we'll just snug this up, just like that. And now it can hang up on the top like this, and it has this safety piece here, so that when you put it up there, it won't accidentally fall off without you wanting to have it removed. Alright, if you were to hang this up there, you would take your cable, such as this, and you could hook it around here, and you could put it up on the top. Alright, so same thing with this one here, it's the exact same thing, just like this. And I'll screw it into the end right there. Basically, you just loosen up this screw right here, just like that. Take this, and you screw it down. Okay, and then we snug this screw back in place, just like that, and now it's actually done. Now I will tell you this too, there is an adjustment on here. It has a different adjustments, high, low, and medium, and you would just take this piece out right in here. I'll come in closer and I'll show you what I mean about that. See how it has the adjustment inside there? And you would just rotate that screw to make it high, low, or medium, depending on what you want in it. Alright? This is the adjustment piece right here. It shows you just like that. Okay? Alright, so next we're going to take an extension cord for now. We're going to undo this and we're going to connect it up to see how bright this actually is. I'm probably going to use it on the highest setting myself, but remember there's 3 different settings on there. You have a high, low, and medium, so it's personal preference. If you need it a little bit brighter, you could turn it brighter. If you need it dimmer, you can actually click it down to make it a little bit dimmer. All right, so let's take our extension cord, let's plug it in, and we're going to see how bright this light actually is. Watch your eyes. Now you can see it's a significant improvement to what I had in my garage. Now with all of these LEDs on there, it actually produces a lot more light than the regular traditional bulbs that you would have in the garage, basement, or wherever. All right, but that's the highest setting, and as I said, you can adjust it for the high, low, and medium. All right, let's unplug it. As I said, this is LED, so it produces a little bit of heat, but it's not the significant heat that you're used to getting from the traditional lights that you would have up in a garage. All right, so all right, let's get up there, let's hang it up, and we'll see how it does. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I am just going to hang it over my workbench on one of the rafters there. I'm going to put a hook up top there, hang it on the hook so you can get an idea of what it would actually be like in your specific location. This is just going to be a temporary connection for now. I do have to run the electrical box up there now, but I'm going to plug it into an outlet so you can get an idea of what it looks like and how it illuminates the work area where I'm going to be working. All right, so let's put it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so now we have our light connected up on the one rafter up top there. We have our hook that holds it in place. We have our safety cable around it to hold it in place as well. Let me zoom up. I'll see if you can see that. We have our safety cable just in case it was to snap and fall. It's not going to come crashing down. And now the real test is let's turn it on and let's see how much light we get from this unit. So let me just go to the switch over here and we'll see what it looks like. As you can see, it puts out quite a bit of light. I'm not going to use my second one because it's more than adequate for my work area right here where I will be working. As you can see, the rest of the lights are turned off, and that's more than adequate for my workspace when I'm working down here. All right, so I'll put a link down below the video so you can check it out in the store itself and see if these type of lights suit your needs. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and give me the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.